Guys, welcome back to my channel. Right, this time I'm presenting you my drone footage in Lombok. Meanwhile you enjoy the footage, I'm going to give you some facts about Lombok and good time to go, what to do and all that information that you need before you come to Lombok. Lombok is more or less same size by the surface with Bali. Only Bali has double the population. Capital city of Lombok, Mataram. Airport name, Lombok International Airport or LOPS airport code.
We all leave this place tonight, I'm telling you.
You can fly to Lombok from Bali or take the fast boat from Padang Bay or Serangan Port in Bali to Gili Islands and finally end up in Lombok. You can go around the island of Lombok by car in 2 days. Senja is the first place developed as tourist destination. You can find a stretch of hotels, seafood restaurants, cafes, shops along the beach. From international hotel chains like Marriott till small cute boutique hotels. Credit card is welcome, but I would suggest to bring some cash with you. International restaurant and local food restaurant are available almost in all places of interest, so you have no worries about food.
Tonight, I'm telling you.
Coffee. Good and modern coffee cafes are available too, so if you are a coffee drinker like me, we have nothing to worry, guys.
I don't wanna waste no time.
English is well used. Somehow, we in the nation appreciate if you speak a little bit of Bahasa. We find it cute, so please try to speak our language.
You got me thinking, whoa.
I find myself Lombok is more humid than Bali, so hat, shade, and sunscreen is something you have to bring along with you. June till August is the best time to visit. There is no public transport in Lombok, so the option is only to rent a motorbike like $8 per day or rent a car with gasoline and driver like $30 for 10 hours. You can choose to stay in Kuta Lombok or Senja, but for me, I will choose to stay in Senja area and travel from there. Snorkeling area beside Gili Trawangan is Gili Kedis and Gili Nanggu. I haven't been here, but I'm planning to do so in the future and I will share with you guys.
Somewhere deep in my mind.
So in conclusion, these are places you must visit when in Lombok for the list. Senja Beach, Kuta Mandalika, Merese Hill, Segar Hill, Tanjung Aan, Gili Nanggu, and Gili Kedis. My adventure in Lombok is not yet finished. I have only explored half of the island. Wait for more of my adventure here, guys. And thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.